Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're back. Gonna update my strategy where I trade without any indicators. Just basically DCAing down, using numbers, mathematics, and gaining profits from that. As you can see on this current setup of XRP or Ripple, I bought at the yellow line. The red line is where I put a sell limit order in for profit. But since we've bought, the market came down and it triggered my second trade. So now I need to add those funds back into the system and put in another sell limit order. We go to XRP, we'll see my first sell limit order is in. My second one needs to come in at 0.6275. So we'll add that. It's about there. It's probably going to sell it immediately. So let's see. 0.6275. And amount is 12.61. It dropped just below it as we talked about it. So just in time. So this sell order is back in. And we're all set up on this side. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to change my alert as well. This one needs to become red since it's a sell order now. The latest entry point was this one. We'll turn it yellow. And then my new alert will be on 0.5979. For if the market drops, I know I need to buy in this one, and my newest take profit alert will be my first one, which is 0.6275. And there we go. XRP is all set up. Oh well, just as we spoke, it triggered my sell order. So now what I'm going to do is this order is this order is becoming my latest entry, and this one is going to be a new buy limit order. So let's go back to 6151. New limit order 0.6151. Amount is 1261. That should come in. And when you count the trades, you'll see I'll always have 8 limit trades waiting. That means XRP is back up and running. We're just going to change this alert to 0.6151. That's correct. And the next one, we're going to change it back to 0.6414. So as the market moves down, it keeps on buying. As it moves up, it sells for profit. Now the second one we need to look at is Ethereum. Let's see what did Ethereum do. So Ethereum also triggered. It dropped, it bought up one. So this one is becoming a sell limit order. And this one becoming our entry point. It just came close to the latest entry point but didn't trigger it. So we're just putting in a sell order at 2256. Sell limit order at 2256.67. An amount of was 12.61. There we go. That's our sell limit order. We should have 8 trades. 8 trades available. Here we go. And now just resetting our alerts. The market drops to 2145.18. We'll get the alert. That means we need to set another sell limit order. And if the market goes all the way up, 2256.67 will add another buy limit order. As you can see, I got 2 sell limit orders in, and the rest is my buy limit orders. That's Ethereum all set up, ready to go. And the next one is BNB. What did BNB do? Let's see. BNB also, let's see how many orders I have. 7. So it also triggered one order. Let's see, also one buy order. So this one is becoming a new sell order, and this one is our current or latest entry. So 30861 is becoming a limit order. It's 1261. Go. Put in the sell order. That's all in. Our BNB is set up. Now it's just changing my alerts from 30188 to 293.30. And our first take profit, which is 308.61. Here we go. So that's our setup, and all our pairs are back and up to date. Now today we're going to add one more pair to our current options. We got Ethereum going, we got BNB going, and we got Cardano going. Cardano is on the iPod. So the next one we're going to do is Polkadot. Let's add Polkadot. Do this. We'll put in dot BUSD. Do want to starlight it since we're adding it. Alright, so now we got dot in, and our first trade will come in right now. Market price just 10.50. As you can see at the bottom, it's just open our first trade, and our entry level average price was 13.56.5. So we'll put our first line in, which is 13.56.5. Go. We'll put our first take profit in, which is going to be 2% up. That's going to be a red line, and then from there we're going to move it down. First 2% drop, we'll be adding our first buy order. Let's get that in. Then it's, everyone can do it different ways. Yes, I know a lot of people who's doing technical analysis will say my entry points is wrong, but I've been doing this for ages and it's working for me. I'm making profit, I'm making money. It just shows you don't need indication always when to get into the market, when to buy, and what to do. You can do it a mathematical way as well, like here. This won't be for everyone, which I understand. It's working for me. I'm putting a set amount towards each coin I open, and I'm trading with that. If it makes profit, I'm happy. If it keeps on dropping, I'm keeping it, because some of the other coins will make profit. The only difference with me is I don't like trading penny stocks or penny coins. Yes, they can make a lot more profit and you can get a lot of gains using them fast, but if they do go the wrong way and they stay down below, you'll need to wait. where I'm like to trade the main coins because they have a usage and they probably will move in the direction which we all like. Let me just see, did I use the right? I didn't use the right one. Let's just fix this. I used the wrong trend line with the wrong averages. There we go. I wanted to say the numbers didn't look correct. So make sure when you do draw out your percentages to use the correct percentage line. I've made this mistake quite a few times and I've learned from it. And now I'm just building and building on profits. Gaining profits daily, making my money work for me, and not doing any analyst, just using basic math. Your percentage between the trades can differ, doesn't matter. You can put different amounts in as me, doesn't matter. Find a way that works for you. Watch YouTube videos. I'm a big fan of YouTube videos with technical and analyst, but don't do exactly the same. My recommendation is look at everyone, see what they're doing, and find a strategy that works for you. This is where I've started. I've watched and I've learned from the best. And I generated a strategy that works for me. That's the main thing you need to do. Find a strategy that works for you and stick to it. Remember, no strategy is proven at least if you've proven and tested for a few months. Let's put in our first sell order. Our sell order is in for our first profit, and now we'll add the rest of the buy limit orders. Even amounts, my amounts is increasing in a strange way compared to a lot of other ones. You can put exactly the same amount on each trade, or you can increase it or even decrease it. There's no way saying you need to do it that way. This is just something that's been working for me. And if you agree, please hit that like and subscribe button while we're talking about it. Also with this strategy, you can trade multiple coins and you'll know exactly how much money you have invested in each coin. If the market drops, it keeps buying from the coin. When the market goes up, you're taking profits for the latest buy order. You can always average it out and see you've bought on these different levels, what's your average price, and according to that you can sell as well. But I like the movement in between the trades because that just generates more profit. Also, if you're working or a busy individual, this is an easier way to control and trade because you can just check and see if any trades went through, do you need to add something, or even open new pairs, and it doesn't take a lot of time. With doing analysis, it does take a lot of time to make sure you're getting in the right positions. There we go. There's something wrong. Let's just see again. 805, and this one should be 77. There we go. So let's see. I got my 8 trades in, as you can see. I'm all set up. Now the market can run. If it goes up, I'm making profit. If it goes down, I'm buying more Polkadot. And then going back to my alerts, I'm going to add the alerts using the TradingView app on my phone is helping me. So the moment it reaches my targets, I'm getting a message via the app telling me I've reached my targets and I need to create a new entry or a new position, which is helping a lot. I'll add TradingView's link in the description. It's not a platform to trade on, it's a platform to use for indications and analysis, and it's really beneficial in my opinion. Have a look at it. They have a free account. If you do want more options, you'll need to take a pay system, but the free options is really good and it works very well. So there we go. All done. Got 4 pairs running. My aim is to add a pair each week and get it up all the way to about 20 different pairs trading this way. Leave me your thoughts, concerns and comments in the description, and have a great one. Take care.